Alice.
I like that.
One.
Doja.
No, it's definitely giving the early. What's up, guys? You know what to do? Shlimes, we're back again with another
Reaction video.
So guys, if you're new to the channel, please do yourself a favor and subscribe because you're not going to be disappointed.
Sir.
Those who don't know us. I'm William Tesla and catch me on IG and our platforms as William Tesla.
And I'm Marcus Kitchen on IG's crazy_identity.
And I'm Chris. Catch me on IG as Tesla and Chris. And if you really want to follow us, you can find our handles in the bio description.
Instead of wasting your time, go to Doja Cat Jealous Type official music video.
Yes, sir. It's been a while since we reacted to Doja Cat. The last song we reacted to Doja Cat was the one with Lisa.
Yeah, Lisa.
The other woman like Lisa forgot and her.
Yeah,
that was the last music video we reacted to. But yeah, this is Doja Cat Jealous Type. Yes, sir. Yes. And if you hear it, thank you so much. Yeah, and enjoy the reaction. So that was in your time. Let's get into it. Jealous Type. Baddie.
Doja said baddie.
Yeah. Okay. Her voice sounds so smooth and nice. Okay. Okay. Hey, mamas, guys, Doja mamas. You see, this is the Doja Cat we love. You know that.
Yo, bro, what's up?
This is the one. No, I feel like she was going through a phase, probably. You know the industry. You know that phase. Yeah. I feel like she was going through that phase. You know. So now she's done with that phase. Now back to
baddie side.
Back to the baddie side.
Early
90s, 80s, 90s, 2000s. Even her dress code, like Melanie Monroe. I forgot her name. Yeah, what? Oh. Guys, correct me in the comment section. Melanie Monroe, something like that. See this
part,
yeah. Guys, can you get more people to give us such music, man?
Yo, can you please leave in the past for a beat? Just a beat, guys.
My soul is from my parents' era. Those days, my grandparents' era.
I don't get music like that.
I don't get.
I feel like music for back then used to like
hits different. Even the beat, come on, and she's giving that kind of vibe. That's real music. That's real music, not the bullshit that we have right now.
Damn,
that's real music.
Yeah,
she's music that made sense. She's having that Usher Berry right there.
Hey, bro.
Wind that hip.
Oh, did you see the heel? It was a gun, bro. It's a gun, bro. Damn.
Look at how she raised her legs.
Damn.
You didn't see.
I was thinking it was a gun, then I said,
damn, man. She's aiming.
Bro.
Her leg is literally behind her shoulder.
Bro. I like this aesthetic.
Yeah, bro. One. Doja. Yeah? The jealous time.
Woo! Yeah. Guys, Doja is back.
Doja
is back.
Doja
is back.
Doja. She's back with her back. Come on, man. I'm the jealous type. Love what I see. I'm the jealous type.
Hey.
One. I'm the jealous. I'm the jealous. Oh, I'm the jealous. Oh, I'm the jealous. Oh, I'm the jealous.
I'm a jealous. Yeah. Even
the limo, bro.
Yeah.
You don't wanna show me off to your ex, to your friends tonight. Let's go.
Yeah.
I need a pin drop text tonight. You know what that means?
Yo,
Eddie, bro.
Yo, locate.
Send the location, man. Yeah?
Oof.
No, you don't wanna show me
depending-
off.
yeah, she does. He doesn't want to show her off to an
Damn.
accent and French
But why
tonight. Come
wouldn't
on,
you,
man.
bro? Why would- why
That
would-
nigga tripping
Hey,
right
bro,
there.
He's fumbling,
That
bro.
nigga tripping right there.
bro,
Come
damn.
on, that nigga
Crazy.
Come on,
Look at
man.
her.
Broadcast it to the whole world right
Or maybe
there.
he's also a jealous type. He doesn't
Yeah.
want other guys to see
Well,
him, you know?
that's the type.
He's
The name of the song.
gatekeeping
Yeah,
himself.
bro.
Jealous
Obvious.
type. That's the name. To accent in French tonight, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. 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 Let's go. One. Damn.
She
Bro.
She definitely
Jealous.
I like that.
One.
Doja.
No, it's definitely giving the early 90s, bro.
So guys, if you're enjoying this reaction video and you want to show your support for this channel, please feel free to use the super thanks stickers down below. That will really show your support for this channel.
And that would be highly appreciated.
Yes, sir.
Without wasting your time, back to the video.
Let's go.
Even the dance moves,
bro.
bro.
The dance moves, bro. They love those dance
Hey,
moves,
bro.
bro. Especially in the gym, bro.
Bro,
Even the
okay,
gym, the
bro.
way
Hey, bro,
exactly.
exactly.
Come on.
I love
Come
that. I
on.
love that.
Guys, Doja came with something here.
I'm the jealous type. I'm the jealous
One.
And she's good.
Bro.
I'm the jealous type. Nice. Yeah.
Guys, nah, Doja brought
Doja.
us back in time,
Come
bro.
on, man.
Damn.
She took us into a time
Hey,
machine
bro,
right
time
there,
machine,
man.
bro. Damn.
Mm.
Jealous type. I love it.
I'm the jealous type. I'm the jealous.
Jealous.
Damn.
Yeah. Doja. One.
Ay, yeah.
Yeah.
One.
Yes, sir.
Ay, nah, I got it back, bro.
That jealous type right now. Yeah. One. Down. Yes. What a jealous. I'm the jealous type. Whoa. I'm the jealous. Woo. I'm the jealous type. Whoa. I'm the jealous. I'm a jealous type. Whoa. I'm a jealous. I'm a jealous type. Hey. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yo. Yo. Killed this concept, man. She killed the concept. She really killed the concept.
She killed it.
I'm a jealous type. Whoa.
Hey,
One.
love that part.
Hold on.
That's my favorite part.
Hold on.
Down, bro.
Damn.
That part, bro.
I'm a jealous type. I'm a jealous. I'm a jealous type. Whoa. One. Yeah. I'm a jealous type. Whoa. I'm a jealous. I'm a jealous type. And I like that when she screams,
Bro.
and then the shower,
Bro,
I mean the rain or whatever the shower comes through.
Oh, bro.
Yo,
Even the scream is
Let's
giving
go.
it was this.
yeah.
It's also giving like the Celine Dion
Bro, hey, bro.
scream.
I'm a jealous type, whoa. I'm a jealous. I'm a jealous type, whoa. Damn.
Guys.
Yo. I'm jealous type. I'm jealous. I'm the jealous type, whoa. I'm the jealous. I'm the jealous type, whoa. Damn. That's a baddie right there.
Doja.
Damn.
She really took us back. Eh?
She really took us back in time.
And I love the
Back to real music.
Damn.
to
took
real
us back.
music.
Nah, guys.
The
Damn.
dance moves were fire.
Nah,
Dance
we're
moves
fire.
were fire.
If
You know what I'm
dress
talking
code,
about?
dress
The
code.
dance move was fire.
Yo,
The aesthetic.
the aesthetic,
aesthetic
the
of it was fire.
instrument,
The
Bro.
car.
the
Look at the
car.
gun, bro. That
Bro,
guy
bro.
died with the view right there. The guy died
Hey,
with
bro,
the
died with the
view.
view, bro. Hey, damn. I died with the view.
That
Bro.
was fire. The whole music video was crazy fire, man.
Crazy,
It took us
crazy.
back in time. You know, we're from this generation, but
Yeah.
damn, we went back with her
Yeah, we
because she's
really
from
need
this
a taste.
generation too.
We need a
Really
taste,
need
We
a
went back
taste.
with her.
And Doja really did the most.
Damn.
It's a song.
I'm the jealous type.
She hasn't dropped in quite a
I'm the
while.
jealous. I'm a jealous type. Whoa. I'm a jealous. Oh. I'm a jealous type. Whoa. I'm a jealous. Ah. I'm a jealous type.
Nah, guys, she killed us,
The
guys.
clubs were
Yo,
banging, bro.
with this song,
The
yo.
clubs were
She
banging.
hasn't dropped in quite a while.
Bro.
Damn.
This is a fire
Ah,
comeback.
this is a comeback, bro.
Damn.
Hopefully she dropped
Hey.
more. We'd love an album.
No, but
It was just a few months
I
back when
just
she
feel
dropped
like
that.
I just feel
with
like
Lisa.
I just feel like people forgot about her.
No, that's what she does.
Yeah.
She drops and then give it a few months, and she comes
back,
again.
and when she
wait
comes
for a banger.
hey, bro,
And she
people
comes
forgot
with
about it,
bangers,
but
bro.
this is gonna remind people who
She's
is
still
Doja.
around. She's still
Who
around.
is Doja?
She's her, man. She is her, man.
She eating, bro.
But yeah, guys, that was a reaction and commentary on Doja Cat. Jealous Type.
Jealous
Jealous
type.
Type.
The ladies gonna love this one too.
Definitely. But yeah, guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to like,
Comment,
share, and
subscribe.
all that good stuff.
Don't forget to turn notification, notify the
Time
time.
we-
Well done.
Yes, sir.
Catch us on the next one.
Cause we are out of here.
Do say, sir.